Hey, a good day to you. This is Rain, founder of Forex100. So today on the weekly market analysis expert level, I do have a bit of struggle because I have found 4 pairs that has excellent teaching points for you, and I realized that all these 4 pairs are Japanese yen related. So take note of Japanese yen related pairs. If you do it right, there's huge earning opportunity for this coming week. In fact, it might even prolong to the next week. That means in this 1 week to 2, there's lots of trading opportunity over here. It's quite fun, and you get to earn quite a good money on this. All right, so on the daily chart, pound yen, let's have a look. My first pair of the choice over here. On the daily chart, we can see it's pretty much a sideways movement. If you want to go in to a stricter analysis, then this is a weaker bull trading setup. Overall, is still leaning towards a bullish trend. If you hit down to the 4-hour chart, if you want to say this as a sideways movement, is fine. Pretty much you can just draw 2 lines and box up everything. Over here, having a lot of retests on both ends. All right, so to the 1-hour chart, this is what we have as well. What's really cool and important for this entire setup is that once you see a lot of retests of high and low happening, you know that one of the trading style and method you can use is harmonic pattern. The other way will be support and resistance, which is very close to module 5 and module 6 of our content. So if you want to gain access to that, you just scan this QR code. It will bring you to our Discord server, our students membership portal over here. Under the Traders Cafe channel, under Information Traders Cafe, click the pin messages over here, click this link, and you have access to our free trading. All right, and our free trading over here, you can access our Telegram channel if you like to. Scroll down further, access our free trading over here. That will get you going and able to identify those important trends. Excuse me. All right, so over here, if you scroll down further, you can have a look on our trading ideas, and our second targets give us a 2-1 ratio, which means you just need a 40% accuracy rate to be profitable. This is something you can look into, because by having that 40% accuracy to be profitable, it significantly reduces the level of stress when you are trading, and basically you are more you can more freely to engage trades that of course is valid before engage it without much stress by keep on checking it when you are trading. All right, so back to our daily chart, let me share a few my analysis over here. Over here, as you can see, as mentioned, this is a weaker bull trading setup. Of course, by having this bullish crab pattern setup, that means once it touches the price completion, it will be a bearish trend, and we are having a counter trend trading opportunity, looking for a buying opportunity at 15117. Okay, down to the 4-hour chart, what we have a potential deep Gartley pattern completing at around 160.97. These are patterns that I'll just trade when you reach those levels, because overall it's a sideways movement. Sideways movement means say that when you hit low, people are looking for a buying opportunity. When you hit high, traders are looking for a shorting opportunity. So there isn't much or rather a lot of traders are looking to trade other ways, all right, in most cases, unless a significant event has happened. All right, to the 1-hour chart, let me just bring you to this attention over here. Let me just delete it for a while first. So it's a clear picture over here. It's a bullish shark pattern with warning sign. We do have strict rules when it comes to trading, and it does trigger some warning signs, but it's really good to see that it has respected the entire movement, bounced up from here, hit this level, came back down and went up again. And this entire move is really worth looking at, because from the low to the high, and I'm not capturing the highest, just over here is a good 165 pips or 167 pips movement. So if you treat 1 pip as $10, it's 1,670 movement. If you trade both way, here to here, 1 time, 2 time, and this is the 3rd time you're going, it's quite a substantial good money. Okay, standard plot trading, 1 pip, $10. So 1 wave is about 1,670 US dollar, multiply it by 3. That's rather amazing. All right, so I'm waiting for another retest of this support level over here. for retest 157.74 for another opportunity to engage. And of course, if you break and close below this level, I will be waiting for my Deep Gartley Pattern completion at 157.11. But my focus will still be on this retest of this shark pattern at this level, 157.73. Okay, so in order to engage that 1 hour chart, on this 1 hour chart trading setup, I'm waiting for a 15 minutes retest on this bullish Gartley pattern that completes at around 157.87, which is very close. The target price, ideal target price I'm looking at for 1 hour chart is 157.77 or 73. But on the 15 minute chart, it came a bit earlier. This is where I can wait for pattern 6, candlesticks pattern confirmation over here and have my minimum risk with a maximum returns potential over here. Alright, so you can see how I piece things together in the expert level, which is very similar, not the exact strategy but the thought process on the pound dollar chart that I've mentioned earlier on the weekly market analysis, that pound dollar have this kind of combo relationship as well, which is amazing for a full-time trader like myself, because at this stage we are able to see things in different time frame and piece things together. It's just like your alternate universe stuff, your metaverse stuff, meta universe stuff, or whatsoever you want to call it, that you find on those sci-fi show, correct? But in this, we use it in a practical way to earn some money. So if this interests you and you like to learn more about trading, you are able to set aside 1 year, and of course, first up, set aside 1 day to learn one of our training, and continue to get coached by us for the remaining 1 year. And by the end of 1 year, you're able to piece things together, like how we do it. Then drop me a note to see if you are ready to be coached by us before we accept you. That's all I have for you. Looking forward to see you soon. Take care.